Textalern presents 100 MCQs with explanations from air pollution. 1. What is air pollution described as in the text? A. A visible menace. B. A hidden menace. C. An economic opportunity. D. A minor threat. Correct answer, B. A hidden menace. Explanation: the text identifies air pollution as a hidden menace because it often goes unnoticed but severely affects human health and the environment. 2. What happened at Bhopal on December 3, 1984? A. An industrial fire. B. A gas leak from a chemical plant. C. A nuclear explosion. D. A flood. Correct answer, B. A gas leak from a chemical plant. Explanation: the Union Carbide chemical plant in Bhopal released deadly gas into the atmosphere, killing thousands and causing long-term health issues for survivors. 3. What are the main components of air as described in the text? A. Nitrogen, oxygen, argon, and carbon dioxide. B. Hydrogen, helium, methane, and water vapor. C. Sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxides, and chlorine. D. Only nitrogen and oxygen. Correct answer, A. Nitrogen, oxygen, argon, and carbon dioxide. Explanation: the composition of air includes 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, 1% argon, and 0.03% carbon dioxide, making up 99.9% of dry air. 4. Why is polluted air harmful to humans? A. It reduces water intake. B. It leads to respiratory disorders and other illnesses. C. It affects eyesight only. D. It decreases the body's oxygen requirement. Correct answer, B. It leads to respiratory disorders and other illnesses. Explanation: polluted air contains harmful gases and particles that can cause respiratory illnesses, eye irritation, and long-term health problems. 5. Which type of industries are the leading contributors to air pollution? A. Textile industries. B. Thermal power stations. C. Electronics industries. D. Agriculture-based industries. Correct answer, B. Thermal power stations. Explanation: thermal power stations release large quantities of smoke and ash, making them the leading contributors to air pollution among industries. 6. What gas is primarily released by automobiles that causes air pollution? A. Oxygen. B. Carbon monoxide. C. Hydrogen. D. Nitrogen. Correct answer, B. Carbon monoxide. Explanation: automobiles are responsible for releasing carbon monoxide, which is harmful to human health and contributes to 60% of air pollution globally. 7. What are the effects of acid rain on water bodies? A. It increases fish population. B. It turns water acidic and kills aquatic life. C. It improves water quality. D. It creates algae blooms. Correct answer, B. It turns water acidic and kills aquatic life. Explanation: acid rain increases the acidity of water in lakes and rivers, leading to the death of fish and other aquatic organisms. 8. What is one of the preventive measures to control air pollution? A. Raising smokestacks higher. B. Banning all industries. C. Changing raw materials in industries. D. Encouraging private vehicles. Correct answer, C. Changing raw materials in industries. Explanation: using alternative raw materials or cleaner fuels in industries is a preventive measure to reduce emissions and control air pollution. 9. How does air pollution affect buildings? A. It cleans their surfaces. B. It blackens walls and deteriorates building materials. C. It has no effect. D. It makes them earthquake resistant. Correct answer, B. It blackens walls and deteriorates building materials. Explanation: polluted air contains soot and acidic components that blacken walls and corrode building surfaces over time. 10. What is a key effect of global warming caused by air pollution? A. Increase in oxygen levels. B. Decrease in global temperatures. C. Melting of polar ice caps. D. Creation of new forests. Correct answer, C. Melting of polar ice caps. Explanation: gases like carbon dioxide and methane trap heat in the atmosphere, leading to global warming, which causes polar ice caps to melt and sea levels to rise. 11. What are the harmful effects of automobile pollution mentioned in the text? A. Promotes plant growth. B. Causes respiratory issues and environmental damage. C. Improves road safety. D. Reduces the need for fossil fuels. Correct answer, B. Causes respiratory issues and environmental damage. Explanation: automobile pollution releases harmful gases like carbon monoxide and nitrogen oxides, which cause respiratory problems and environmental pollution. 12. What causes acid rain? A. Excess oxygen in the atmosphere. B. Oxides of sulfur and nitrogen reacting with water. C. High humidity levels. D. Dust particles settling in clouds. Correct answer: B. Oxides of sulfur and nitrogen reacting with water. Explanation: acid rain forms when sulfur dioxide, SO, and nitrogen oxides, NO, mix with water vapor in the atmosphere, creating acidic precipitation. 13. What does acid rain do to soil? A. Increases nutrients like potassium and calcium. B. Washes away essential nutrients. C. Improves its fertility. D. Has no effect on soil. Correct answer: B. Washes away essential nutrients. Explanation: acid rain leaches nutrients such as potassium, calcium, and magnesium from the soil, reducing its fertility and harming plant growth. 14. How does acid rain affect buildings and monuments? A. Makes them more durable. B. Cleans their surfaces. C. Damages and corrodes them. D. Enhances their color. Correct answer: C. Damages and corrodes them. Explanation: acid rain reacts with materials like marble and stone, corroding their surfaces and causing significant damage to buildings and monuments over time. 15. What happens to forests due to acid rain? A. Trees grow faster. B. Leaves and bark become stronger. C. Trees die, leaving behind skeletal remains. D. Forests become more vibrant. Correct answer: C. Trees die, leaving behind skeletal remains. Explanation: acid rain affects the nutrient content of the soil and damages leaves, leading to the death of trees and leaving barren landscapes. 16. Which gas is primarily responsible for global warming? A. Nitrogen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Helium. D. Argon. Correct answer: B. Carbon dioxide. Explanation: carbon dioxide traps heat in the atmosphere, contributing to global warming by creating a greenhouse effect. 17. What is the role of chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs, in air pollution? A. They purify the air. B. They deplete the ozone layer. C. They are used to trap pollutants. D. They reduce global temperatures. Correct answer: B. They deplete the ozone layer. Explanation: chlorofluorocarbons are chemicals that destroy the ozone layer, which protects Earth from harmful ultraviolet radiation. 18. Which country's lakes were severely affected by acid rain? A. Sweden. B. India. C. Canada. D. Australia. Correct answer: A. Sweden. Explanation: the text mentions that acid rain turned over 4,000 lakes in Sweden acidic, resulting in the disappearance of aquatic life. 19. What percentage of air pollution globally is caused by automobiles? A. 10%. B. 30%. C. 60%. D. 90%. Correct answer: C. 60%. Explanation: automobiles contribute approximately 60% of air pollution globally, primarily due to the release of carbon monoxide and other harmful gases. 20. What is the primary way to reduce automobile emissions? A. Increase the number of vehicles. B. Use catalytic converters in vehicles. C. Decrease public transportation. D. Use more coal in industries. Correct answer: B. Use catalytic converters in vehicles. Explanation: catalytic converters are devices that transform harmful gases into less toxic substances, significantly reducing emissions from vehicles. 21. Why are thermal power stations considered major polluters? A. They consume a lot of water. B. They emit large amounts of smoke and ash. C. They do not produce enough energy. D. They rely on solar power. Correct answer: B. They emit large amounts of smoke and ash. Explanation: thermal power stations burn fuels like coal and furnace oil, releasing dense smoke and ash that significantly contribute to air pollution. 22. How does polluted air affect human health? A. It improves lung capacity. B. It causes respiratory disorders and other diseases. C. It makes the skin glow. D. It has no effect on health. Correct answer: B. It causes respiratory disorders and other diseases. Explanation: polluted air contains harmful particles and gases that irritate the respiratory system, leading to illnesses such as asthma, bronchitis, and even cancer. 23. What is the significance of nitrogen in the air? A. It helps in respiration. B. It prevents explosions. C. It is essential for plant growth. D. It contributes to air pollution. Correct answer, C. It is essential for plant growth. Explanation: nitrogen is a major component of the atmosphere and plays a crucial role in plant growth by being a part of the nitrogen cycle. 24. What is the primary source of air contamination in cities like Kolkata? A. Industrial emissions. B. Automobile exhausts. C. Domestic cooking. D. Agricultural activities. Correct answer, B. Automobile exhausts. Explanation: automobile exhausts release toxic gases such as carbon monoxide and nitrogen oxides, making them a primary source of air pollution in urban areas. 25. What is the main reason for the increased number of vehicles on roads? A. Decline in fuel prices. B. Population explosion and rising demand. C. Increase in road length. D. Decrease in vehicle prices. Correct answer, B. Population explosion and rising demand. Explanation: rapid population growth and urbanization have led to increased demand for transportation, resulting in more vehicles on the roads. 26. What is smog? A. A mixture of smoke and fog. B. A type of fertilizer. C. A natural phenomenon. D. A harmless gas. Correct answer, A. A mixture of smoke and fog. Explanation: smog is a harmful combination of smoke and fog caused by air pollution, reducing visibility and causing respiratory issues. 27. What is the effect of polluted air on crops? A. Increases crop yield. B. Stunts growth and causes damage. C. Makes crops resistant to pests. D. Improves crop color. Correct answer, B. Stunts growth and causes damage. Explanation: polluted air damages crops by depositing harmful substances on their surfaces and affecting their growth and development. 28. How can industries reduce air pollution? A. By using taller smokestacks. B. By burning more coal. C. By using cleaner fuels and raw materials. D. By increasing production. Correct answer, C. By using cleaner fuels and raw materials. Explanation: using eco-friendly raw materials and clean fuels in industrial processes minimizes emissions and helps reduce air pollution. 29. What happens to the ozone layer due to air pollution? A. It becomes thicker. B. It gets depleted. C. It absorbs more sunlight. D. It becomes resistant to CFCs. Correct answer, B. It gets depleted. Explanation: pollutants like chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs, break down ozone molecules, thinning the ozone layer and exposing the Earth to harmful UV radiation. 30. Which of the following is an example of a dispersal measure to control air pollution? A. Raising smokestacks. B. Using catalytic converters. C. Reducing industrial production. D. Using electric vehicles. Correct answer, A. Raising smokestacks. Explanation: dispersal measures involve spreading pollutants over a wider area, such as using taller smokestacks to reduce the concentration of pollutants at ground level. 31. What was the main consequence of the Bhopal gas tragedy? A. Loss of forest cover. B. Thousands of deaths and long-term health issues. C. Increase in industrial productivity. D. Development of new cities. Correct answer, B. Thousands of deaths and long-term health issues. Explanation: the Bhopal gas tragedy caused by a chemical leak led to over 4,000 deaths and severe health complications for the survivors. 32. What is the average amount of air exchanged by an adult daily? A. 1.5 kilograms. B. 2.5 kilograms. C. 15 kilogram. D. 50 kilograms. Correct answer, C. 15 kilogram. Explanation: the text mentions that an average adult exchanges approximately 15 kilograms of air daily, highlighting the significance of breathing clean air. 33. Which harmful substances are released by chemical industries? A. Carbon monoxide and oxygen. B. Toxic fumes and smoke. C. Water vapor and helium. D. Hydrogen and nitrogen. Correct answer, B. Toxic fumes and smoke. Explanation: chemical industries release harmful fumes and smoke, which contribute significantly to air pollution and health hazards. 34. What is the impact of air pollution on children? A. It boosts their immunity. B. It irritates their eyes and lungs. C. It improves their respiratory system. D. It has no impact on children. Correct answer. B. It irritates their eyes and lungs. Explanation: air pollution is especially harmful to children, as it irritates sensitive tissues in their eyes and lungs, leading to health issues. 35. What is a catalytic converter? A. A device that increases fuel consumption. B. A device that reduces harmful emissions from vehicles. C. A type of fuel. D. A mechanism for increasing speed. Correct answer. B. A device that reduces harmful emissions from vehicles. Explanation: catalytic converters are installed in vehicles to convert harmful pollutants into less toxic substances before they are released into the atmosphere. 36. What is the primary component of polluted automobile exhaust? A. Nitrogen. B. Oxygen. C. Carbon monoxide. D. Hydrogen. Correct answer. C. Carbon monoxide. Explanation: carbon monoxide is the main pollutant in automobile exhaust, making it a significant contributor to air pollution. 37. How does acid rain affect aquatic life? A. It increases biodiversity. B. It makes water more acidic, killing aquatic species. C. It promotes fish breeding. D. It has no effect on water bodies. Correct answer. B. It makes water more acidic, killing aquatic species. Explanation: acid rain increases the acidity of water bodies, which can lead to the death of aquatic species like fish and other organisms. 38. What does the term leaches away refer to in the text? A. Collecting rainwater. B. Washing away essential nutrients from the soil. C. Adding fertilizer to the soil. D. Storing water underground. Correct answer. B. Washing away essential nutrients from the soil. Explanation: the term leaches away describes how acid rain washes essential nutrients like calcium and magnesium out of the soil, reducing its fertility. 39. Which species are threatened by acid rain in Sweden? A. Polar bears and seals. B. Pied flycatcher and Apollo butterfly. C. Brown trout and sharks. D. Swans and ducks. Correct answer. B. Pied flycatcher and Apollo butterfly. Explanation: the text highlights that acid rain has endangered species such as the pied flycatcher and Apollo butterfly in Sweden due to habitat destruction. 40. What is the global significance of air pollution? A. It only affects industrial areas. B. It travels across countries and affects global ecosystems. C. It helps in economic growth. D. It has no international impact. Correct answer. B. It travels across countries and affects global ecosystems. Explanation: air pollution is a global problem, as pollutants can travel long distances across borders, causing environmental and health issues in other regions. 41. Which gas released by industries contributes significantly to global warming? A. Oxygen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Nitrogen. D. Helium. Correct answer. B. Carbon dioxide. Explanation: carbon dioxide is a major greenhouse gas that traps heat in the atmosphere, leading to global warming. 42. What is the role of tall smokestacks in reducing pollution? A. They completely eliminate pollutants. B. They disperse pollutants over a wider area. C. They filter out harmful gases. D. They reduce industrial production. Correct answer. B. They disperse pollutants over a wider area. Explanation: tall smokestacks help disperse pollutants into the atmosphere, reducing their concentration at ground level, though they do not eliminate pollution. 43. What is the economic cost of air pollution? A. It increases agricultural yields. B. It causes billions of dollars in damage annually. C. It boosts industrial profits. D. It has no financial impact. Correct answer. B. It causes billions of dollars in damage annually. Explanation: air pollution leads to significant economic losses, including health costs, reduced agricultural productivity, and damage to buildings and infrastructure. 44. What are the three basic approaches to controlling air pollution? A. Economic, social, and cultural measures. B. Preventive, dispersal, and collection measures. C. Industrial, residential, and agricultural policies. D. Legislative, educational, and technological measures. Correct answer: B. Preventive, dispersal, and collection measures. Explanation: the text mentions these approaches: preventive measures, e.g., using cleaner raw materials; dispersal measures, e.g., taller smokestacks; and collection measures, e.g., trapping pollutants before release. 45. What are the long-term effects of air pollution on human health? A. Improved immunity. B. Chronic respiratory diseases and premature deaths. C. Enhanced physical fitness. D. Shorter recovery times from illnesses. Correct answer, B. Chronic respiratory diseases and premature deaths. Explanation: long-term exposure to polluted air can lead to chronic conditions such as asthma, lung cancer, and premature death. 46. What is the impact of air pollution on trees? A. Increased growth rate. B. Death of large stretches of forests. C. Improved resistance to pests. D. Enhanced photosynthesis. Correct answer, B. Death of large stretches of forests. Explanation: air pollution and acid rain wash away soil nutrients and damage leaves, leading to the death of trees and forests. 47. How does air pollution affect rubber materials like car tires? A. It makes them stronger. B. It causes them to crack and become porous. C. It has no effect on rubber. D. It makes them resistant to wear and tear. Correct answer, B. It causes them to crack and become porous. Explanation: pollutants in the air chemically interact with rubber, causing it to deteriorate and lose its elasticity over time. 48. What do chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs, primarily affect? A. Soil fertility. B. The ozone layer. C. Water bodies. D. Animal habitats. Correct answer, B. The ozone layer. Explanation: CFCs are harmful chemicals that destroy ozone molecules, leading to the depletion of the ozone layer, which protects Earth from harmful UV rays. 49. What measure has been taken to reduce pollution from automobiles? A. Ban on private vehicles. B. Introduction of catalytic converters. C. Reduction in vehicle manufacturing. D. Switching to coal-powered engines. Correct answer, B. Introduction of catalytic converters. Explanation: catalytic converters help reduce harmful emissions from vehicles by converting pollutants into less toxic substances before they are released. 50. Why is acid rain a global concern? A. It affects only local areas. B. It crosses borders and damages ecosystems worldwide. C. It benefits crop production. D. It improves water quality in rivers. Correct answer, B. It crosses borders and damages ecosystems worldwide. Explanation: acid rain is formed by pollutants that can travel across borders, affecting lakes, forests, and buildings in regions far from the pollution source. 51. How does acid rain affect historical monuments? A. It makes them more durable. B. It corrodes their surfaces and damages the material. C. It enhances their appearance. D. It has no impact on monuments. Correct answer, B. It corrodes their surfaces and damages the material. Explanation: acid rain reacts with materials like marble and stone, corroding historical monuments and causing irreversible damage, as mentioned for cities like Athens and Krakow. 52. What measures have countries taken to improve air quality? A. Increasing fuel consumption. B. Implementing air quality programs and setting pollution standards. C. Reducing the use of technology. D. Encouraging deforestation. Correct answer, B. Implementing air quality programs and setting pollution standards. Explanation: countries have introduced air quality programs, reduced sulfur content in fuels, and set emission standards to mitigate air pollution. 53. Which industry releases the maximum pollutants into the air? A. Textile industry. B. Thermal power plants. C. Food processing industry. D. Tourism industry. Correct answer, B. Thermal power plants. Explanation: thermal power plants release the largest quantities of smoke and ash, making them one of the most significant contributors to air pollution. 54. What happens to the nutrient content of soil due to acid rain? A. It improves the soil's fertility. B. It leaches away essential nutrients like potassium and magnesium. C. It remains unaffected. D. It introduces new nutrients. Correct answer, B. It leaches away essential nutrients like potassium and magnesium. Explanation: acid rain washes away vital nutrients from the soil, reducing fertility and hindering plant growth. 55. What percentage of air pollution worldwide is attributed to automobiles? A. 20%. B. 60%. C. 80%. D. 100%. Correct answer, B. 60%. Explanation: automobiles are responsible for around 60% of air pollution worldwide due to the release of carbon monoxide and other harmful gases. 56. Which type of rain contains oxides of sulfur and nitrogen? A. Acid rain. B. Normal rain. C. Alkaline rain. D. Heavy rain. Correct answer: A. Acid rain. Explanation: acid rain is formed when oxides of sulfur and nitrogen combine with water vapor in the atmosphere, creating harmful precipitation. 57. What is one adverse effect of air pollution on vegetation? A. Improved photosynthesis. B. Stunted growth and reduced crop yield. C. Increased flowering. D. Resistance to pests. Correct answer: B. Stunted growth and reduced crop yield. Explanation: polluted air damages crops and plants by depositing harmful substances, affecting their growth and yield. 58. Which international issue is linked to air pollution? A. Regional prosperity. B. Cross-border pollution. C. Localized economic growth. D. Improved trade relations. Correct answer: B. Cross-border pollution. Explanation: air pollution is a global issue as pollutants can travel across borders, affecting neighboring countries and ecosystems far from the source. 59. What is the primary purpose of using low-sulfur coal and oil? A. To reduce energy efficiency. B. To lower air pollution. C. To increase industrial productivity. D. To improve coal mining processes. Correct answer: B. To lower air pollution. Explanation: burning low-sulfur coal and oil reduces the emission of sulfur dioxide, a major pollutant responsible for acid rain. 60. What does the presence of methane and nitrous oxide in the atmosphere indicate? A. Decrease in global temperature. B. Increase in greenhouse gas effects. C. Improved air quality. D. Reduced global warming. Correct answer: B. Increase in greenhouse gas effects. Explanation: methane and nitrous oxide are potent greenhouse gases that trap heat in the atmosphere, contributing to global warming. 61. What is the primary cause of rising temperatures due to air pollution? A. Increased nitrogen in the atmosphere. B. Greenhouse gases trapping solar radiation. C. Excess oxygen in the atmosphere. D. Reduction in automobile use. Correct answer: B. Greenhouse gases trapping solar radiation. Explanation: greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and methane trap heat in the Earth's atmosphere, leading to global warming and rising temperatures. 62. What is the main source of carbon monoxide in the atmosphere? A. Factories. B. Automobiles. C. Agriculture. D. Forests. Correct answer: B. Automobiles. Explanation: automobiles emit significant amounts of carbon monoxide through their exhaust systems, making them a major source of this pollutant. 63. What happens to fish in lakes affected by acid rain? A. They thrive in acidic waters. B. They die due to the acidity of the water. C. Their population remains unaffected. D. They migrate to oceans. Correct answer: B. They die due to the acidity of the water. Explanation: acid rain increases the acidity of lakes and rivers, making the water inhospitable for fish and other aquatic organisms. 64. How does air pollution affect sunlight in cities? A. It brightens the atmosphere. B. It blocks sunlight, creating smog. C. It has no effect on sunlight. D. It enhances solar energy efficiency. Correct answer: B. It blocks sunlight, creating smog. Explanation: pollutants in the air combine with water vapor and particulate matter to form smog, which blocks sunlight and reduces visibility. 65. What is one harmful effect of smog on humans? A. Improved respiratory health. B. Eye irritation and breathing problems. C. Increased immunity. D. Reduced susceptibility to diseases. Correct answer: B. Eye irritation and breathing problems. Explanation: smog contains harmful pollutants that irritate the eyes and respiratory system, leading to health issues like asthma and bronchitis. 66. Which country has been severely impacted by acid rain from neighboring countries? A. United States. B. Canada. C. India. D. Sweden. Correct answer: B. Canada. Explanation: acid rain originating from industrial emissions in the United States has caused damage to lakes and forests in Canada. 67. What is the significance of the ozone layer? A. It traps greenhouse gases. B. It protects the Earth from harmful UV radiation. C. It increases air pressure. D. It enhances the global temperature. Correct answer, B. It protects the Earth from harmful UV radiation. Explanation: the ozone layer absorbs and blocks ultraviolet radiation from the sun, preventing harmful effects on living organisms. 68. What does the term emission system refer to in vehicles? A. The system for producing fuel. B. The system that releases exhaust gases. C. The cooling mechanism of the engine. D. The navigation system. Correct answer, B. The system that releases exhaust gases. Explanation: the emission system in vehicles is responsible for managing and releasing exhaust gases, which include pollutants like carbon monoxide and nitrogen oxides. 69. What is a major challenge in controlling cross-border air pollution? A. Lack of air quality monitoring systems. B. Pollutants traveling long distances with the wind. C. Reduction in population density. D. Overuse of renewable energy. Correct answer, B. Pollutants traveling long distances with the wind. Explanation: air pollution is not confined to local areas, as winds can carry pollutants across borders, making it difficult to control and manage. 70. What is a practical step to reduce industrial air pollution? A. Use of renewable energy sources. B. Increasing factory production. C. Burning high sulfur fuels. D. Lowering smokestacks. Correct answer, A. Use of renewable energy sources. Explanation: renewable energy sources like solar and wind power reduce reliance on fossil fuels, thereby cutting industrial emissions and air pollution. 71. Which of the following industries is most likely to release toxic fumes into the air? A. Textile industry. B. Chemical industry. C. Food processing industry. D. Electronics industry. Correct answer, B. Chemical industry. Explanation: the chemical industry is known for releasing harmful toxic fumes and gases that contribute to air pollution and can have serious health impacts. 72. What happens to the quality of air when pollutants like ash and smoke mix with it? A. It becomes clearer. B. It becomes polluted and harmful to breathe. C. It improves the air quality. D. It has no impact on air quality. Correct answer, B. It becomes polluted and harmful to breathe. Explanation: when pollutants like ash and smoke mix with the air, they contaminate it, making it harmful to breathe and causing respiratory problems. 73. What is one effect of acid rain on human health? A. It improves vision. B. It can cause eye irritation and breathing problems. C. It boosts skin health. D. It strengthens the immune system. Correct answer, B. It can cause eye irritation and breathing problems. Explanation: acid rain contains harmful chemicals that can irritate sensitive tissues like the eyes and lungs, leading to health problems such as asthma and eye discomfort. 74. Why is it important to reduce the use of coal and oil in power plants? A. They contribute to the ozone layer. B. They reduce air pollution and greenhouse gas emissions. C. They improve air quality. D. They are renewable resources. Correct answer, B. They reduce air pollution and greenhouse gas emissions. Explanation: reducing the use of coal and oil helps lower emissions of sulfur dioxide and carbon dioxide, which are major contributors to air pollution and global warming. 75. What is one way air pollution can be controlled in industrial areas? A. By decreasing production rates. B. By installing pollution control devices. C. By using more fossil fuels. D. By increasing smoke emission. Correct answer, B. By installing pollution control devices. Explanation: pollution control devices, such as filters and scrubbers, can capture harmful pollutants before they are released into the atmosphere, thus helping control industrial air pollution. 76. What is one of the most effective ways to reduce automobile pollution? A. Reducing car production. B. Using cleaner fuels and vehicles with better emissions control. C. Encouraging the use of fossil fuels. D. Increasing car speeds. Correct answer, B. Using cleaner fuels and vehicles with better emissions control. Explanation: cleaner fuels and improved vehicle technologies, such as catalytic converters, can significantly reduce automobile emissions, which are a major source of air pollution. 77. Which of the following pollutants is primarily responsible for the formation of acid rain? A. Carbon dioxide. B. Sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides. C. Oxygen. D. Water vapor. Correct answer. B. Sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides. Explanation: sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides, when released into the atmosphere, combine with water vapor to form acid rain, which damages ecosystems and structures. 78. What is the effect of acid rain on crops and plants? A. It improves crop growth. B. It causes damage and stunts their growth. C. It has no effect on crops. D. It enhances soil fertility. Correct answer: B. It causes damage and stunts their growth. Explanation: acid rain harms plants and crops by damaging their leaves, leaching essential nutrients from the soil, and altering the soil's pH, which affects their growth. 79. What is one of the major environmental concerns related to industrial air pollution? A. It leads to cleaner water bodies. B. It causes soil erosion. C. It contributes to global warming. D. It promotes biodiversity. Correct answer: C. It contributes to global warming. Explanation: industrial air pollution, especially the release of greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, contributes significantly to global warming and climate change. 80. Which of the following gases is a major contributor to the greenhouse effect? A. Nitrogen. B. Oxygen. C. Carbon dioxide. D. Helium. Correct answer: C. Carbon dioxide. Explanation: carbon dioxide is a major greenhouse gas that traps heat in the Earth's atmosphere, contributing to the warming of the planet and climate change. 81. What is the main cause of the deterioration of rubber materials like automobile tires? A. Excessive heat. B. Air pollution. C. Lack of proper maintenance. D. Low quality rubber. Correct answer: B. Air pollution. Explanation: air pollution, particularly the presence of chemicals in the air, causes rubber materials like tires to crack and become porous, reducing their effectiveness and lifespan. 82. What is the impact of air pollution on the global economy? A. It increases industrial profits. B. It leads to billions of dollars in economic losses. C. It creates more job opportunities. D. It has no economic impact. Correct answer: B. It leads to billions of dollars in economic losses. Explanation: air pollution causes significant economic damage through healthcare costs, reduced agricultural productivity, and the need for pollution control technologies. 83. What is a common consequence of thermal power plants on the environment? A. Reduction in carbon emissions. B. Release of large amounts of smoke and ash. C. Increased biodiversity. D. Improved air quality. Correct answer: B. Release of large amounts of smoke and ash. Explanation: thermal power plants burn fossil fuels like coal and oil, releasing significant amounts of smoke, ash, and other pollutants into the atmosphere, contributing to air pollution. 84. What is the process by which pollutants are carried from one country to another? A. Pollution dispersion. B. Pollution transfer. C. Airborne transmission. D. Windborne transport. Correct answer: D. Windborne transport. Explanation: pollutants can be carried across borders by winds, affecting areas far from the pollution source, making air pollution a global issue. 85. What role do engineers, scientists, and other professionals play in combating air pollution? A. They study and develop new ways to reduce air pollution. B. They manufacture products that increase pollution. C. They advocate for pollution-causing industries. D. They manage air quality through political means. Correct answer: A. They study and develop new ways to reduce air pollution. Explanation: engineers, scientists, and other professionals conduct research and develop technology to reduce emissions, clean the air, and implement sustainable practices. 86. How do plants get affected by acid rain? A. They grow stronger and more resilient. B. Acid rain kills large stretches of forests and harms crops. C. They thrive in acidic soil. D. They produce more flowers. Correct answer: B. Acid rain kills large stretches of forests and harms crops. Explanation: acid rain negatively impacts plants by leaching nutrients from the soil and damaging plant tissues, causing trees and crops to die or fail to thrive. 87. What is the long-term impact of high levels of air pollution on human health in both the United States and Europe? A. Increased number of deaths due to respiratory diseases. B. Improved immune systems. C. No significant health effects. D. Longer life expectancy. Correct answer. A. Increased number of deaths due to respiratory diseases. Explanation. High levels of air pollution in urban areas have been linked to higher mortality rates, especially from respiratory conditions like asthma and lung cancer. 88. Which gases are responsible for trapping heat in the Earth's atmosphere, leading to global warming? A. Chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs. B. Nitrogen and oxygen. C. Carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide. D. Water vapor and argon. Correct answer. C. Carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide. Explanation. These gases contribute to the greenhouse effect by trapping heat from the sun, which leads to global warming and climate change. 89. What is one of the major causes of acid rain? A. Increased use of fertilizer. B. Oxides of sulfur and nitrogen in the atmosphere. C. Decreased automobile usage. D. Forest fires. Correct answer. B. Oxides of sulfur and nitrogen in the atmosphere. Explanation. The combustion of fossil fuels releases sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides, which react with water vapor in the atmosphere to form acid rain. 90. What effect does acid rain have on human-made structures? A. It strengthens buildings. B. It accelerates the deterioration of materials like stone and metal. C. It has no impact. D. It improves the durability of materials. Correct answer. B. It accelerates the deterioration of materials like stone and metal. Explanation. Acid rain erodes and corrodes materials used in construction, especially stone, metal, and marble, leading to faster deterioration of buildings and monuments. 91. What is the primary pollutant released by automobile exhaust that contributes to air pollution? A. Nitrogen oxides. B. Sulfur dioxide. C. Carbon dioxide. D. Carbon monoxide. Correct answer. D. Carbon monoxide. Explanation. Carbon monoxide is a primary pollutant emitted by automobiles, which contributes significantly to air pollution and can harm human health, particularly in urban areas. 92. What is the effect of acid rain on buildings made of marble or limestone? A. It strengthens them. B. It causes them to deteriorate and lose their shine. C. It has no effect. D. It makes them more durable. Correct answer. B. It causes them to deteriorate and lose their shine. Explanation. Acid rain reacts with marble and limestone, causing them to corrode and lose their structural integrity and aesthetic appearance over time. 93. What role do smokestacks play in industrial air pollution? A. They trap pollutants inside the factory. B. They disperse pollutants into the atmosphere. C. They purify the air. D. They prevent the release of gases. Correct answer. B. They disperse pollutants into the atmosphere. Explanation. Smokestacks release pollutants into the air, dispersing them over a wider area. While this reduces pollution concentration at ground level, it does not eliminate the pollutants. 94. What can individuals do to reduce air pollution in their daily lives? A. Increase car usage. B. Use energy-efficient appliances and reduce the use of fossil fuels. C. Burn more coal and wood. D. Increase factory production. Correct answer. B. Use energy-efficient appliances and reduce the use of fossil fuels. Explanation. Individuals can help reduce air pollution by adopting energy-efficient technologies, reducing the use of fossil fuels, and supporting sustainable practices such as using public transportation or carpooling. 95. What is a major problem caused by air pollution in urban areas? A. Clearer skies. B. Traffic congestion. C. Smog formation and respiratory diseases. D. More green spaces. Correct answer. C. Smog formation and respiratory diseases. Explanation. Air pollution in urban areas leads to the formation of smog, which affects visibility and causes respiratory diseases, particularly among children and the elderly. 96. What is the main cause of water pollution mentioned in the text? A. Industrial waste. B. Clean water initiatives. C. Increasing rainwater. D. Deforestation. Correct answer. A. Industrial waste. Explanation. Industrial waste, including toxic chemicals and untreated effluents, is one of the main causes of water pollution, which harms aquatic life and affects drinking water quality. 97. Which of the following is not a consequence of air pollution on human health? A. Eye irritation. B. Increased risk of respiratory diseases. C. Better lung function. D. Premature deaths. Correct answer, C. Better lung function. Explanation: air pollution has detrimental effects on human health, causing eye irritation, respiratory diseases, and premature deaths. It does not improve lung function. 98. Which type of fuel is considered cleaner and helps reduce air pollution in industries? A. High sulfur coal. B. Renewable energy sources like solar and wind. C. Low sulfur coal. D. Petrol. Correct answer, C. Low sulfur coal. Explanation: low sulfur coal emits fewer pollutants like sulfur dioxide, reducing air pollution and the harmful effects of acid rain when burned in industrial processes. 99. What is the impact of air pollution on wildlife? A. Improved habitat conditions. B. Reduced food availability and loss of habitat. C. Increased population of species. D. Better migration patterns. Correct answer, B. Reduced food availability and loss of habitat. Explanation: air pollution can reduce the availability of food for wildlife and destroy their natural habitats, leading to population decline and endangerment of species. 100. What is the main goal of air quality programs in various countries? A. To increase industrial output. B. To reduce the impact of air pollution on health and the environment. C. To promote deforestation. D. To encourage more vehicle use. Correct answer, B. To reduce the impact of air pollution on health and the environment. Explanation: air quality programs aim to reduce pollution levels, improve public health, and protect the environment by setting standards and introducing policies to control emissions. This concludes the set of 100 MCQs. Thank you for watching. Purushottam Raut. Next to learn.